Selematic was founded in 1978 and has been designing and developing automation systems for packaging equipment, shrink-wrapping machines, palletizers, transport systems, and robot applications ever since. We install more than 70 different systems each year in 65 countries all over the world. Our core business is dry and fresh pasta. But in recent years, thanks to continuing technological innovations, the company is now able to provide state-of-the-art solutions for vegetables, pet food, dry fruit, and all other kinds of pre-packaged products. Siemens has been a valuable technological partner for us for over 20 years. With its range of products, global service network, and increasingly innovative solutions, it has supported us in developing machines that have become more complex over the years. Selematic machines make us use all of the automation technology in the Siemens portfolio. Handling is taken care of by Selematic drives, which, thanks to the integrated motion function in the Selematic controllers, ensures advanced diagnostics and full control of the dynamics. The use of our HMI, together with the ProvNet communication, allows you to visualize the status of all networked devices in a reliable, secure way. What's more, the integration of all our devices within a single TIA portal project has allowed us to reduce engineering and commissioning times, making the implementation processes for machines efficient and in line with increasing market demands. With the aim of always maintaining a high technological standard in our machines, Selematic has decided to use the new IoT solutions from Siemens based on artificial intelligence algorithms. The Industrial Edge platform and its apps have enabled us to introduce predictive maintenance services and high-frequency monitoring of machine conditions. Using the drive system framework to receive data at high frequency and analyze my drives to analyze it offers a number of advantages, such as the option to perform maintenance only when necessary. In addition, thanks to early, efficient signal detection, it is possible to plan intervention based around the company's production times in the event of an issue. As a result of this, downtime caused by failures is greatly reduced. All of this can be achieved with the hardware that is already in the machine, without the need to use additional sensors.